Yo, what is going on, everybody? So today I'm going to show you all how to see your frequent visitors and stalkers on your Instagram account. So this is going to allow you to see who keeps on visiting your accounts, even if they're not liking any of your posts or viewing your stories. You're going to be able to see like how much time they spend on your account, if they're sending out any of your posts to like people in DMs, and also if they're screenshotting any of your posts, and pretty much anyone who's stalking your accounts, guys. So it's going to be pretty cool. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this on iOS and Android. Really quickly before we get started with the tutorial, make sure you guys leave a like on the video and subscribe, and now let's get right into this tutorial. Alrighty guys, so now it's time we get started with the tutorial on how to go ahead and see who's stalking our account and see our frequent visitors and stuff like that, guys. And the way we're going to be doing this is all with the Instagram Plus app. So basically this is like a tweaked version of the Instagram app. It has a lot more features in it that are not available on the Instagram app. Such as being able to see your frequent visitors and see a bunch of other cool things. So I'm going to show you guys how it works, and then I'll show you all how to download it on iOS and Android. So let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. And as you guys can see, this is my account. If you guys want to go ahead and follow me, I definitely will be following you guys back. But anyways, here is the feature that allows us to go ahead and view our stalkers. So as you guys can see, there's this like eye logo right here, and this is basically like the spy feature on the Instagram app. And when you go ahead and tap on that, you guys are going to see what pops up. So as you guys can see, it's showing me the stalkers of my account in the last 24 hours. So this pretty much shows me who has viewed my account in the last 24 hours. And also if you tap the three dots here, it will tell me like more details about what they looked at, how long they stayed on the photos. So that's pretty cool too. Like it tells you how many photos they looked at, which photos they looked at, like what was the duration, like if they stayed on it for 5 minutes, an hour, you know what I'm saying, or if they like. And it also tells you if they sent out any of your photos to people in DMs. So yeah, you're gonna be able to see a lot of things behind the scenes with this app, guys, but it only shows you like the stalkers for the last 24 hours. And then after 24 hours, it refreshes again and shows you who the new stalkers are. But in the last 24 hours, I've had 8 stalkers. So as you can see, these are the 8 people who looked at my account and looked at my posts and stuff. Now, I don't want to show more of the details because obviously I want to give these people their privacy, but yes, these are the people who are stalking my account, so it's pretty cool. But anyways, now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how to download this app so you can go ahead and see who is stalking your Instagram profile. So the first thing that we have to go ahead and do, guys, is just simply make sure that our device is ready for the install on iOS and Android. And what I mean by this is we have to go ahead and make sure that our device is compatible with the app. So if you're on iOS, what we're going to want to do is open up the settings app over here. And you guys are going to want to go ahead and scroll down until you find general. And in general, you guys are going to want to look for the background app refresh setting. And you're just simply going to want to make sure that you guys have this turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data. So as you guys can see, I do have it turned on, so that's perfect. Then once you guys have done that, you're going to want to go ahead and look for the setting that says battery. And you're just going to want to make sure that your low power mode option on your iOS device is turned off. So as you guys can see, I do have it off, and we're good to go on that. Now that is going to be all the settings that we have to change on iOS. And if you guys are on an Android device, we also have to go ahead and change some settings really quick as well if you want to download the Instagram Plus app. So go ahead and open up the settings app on your Android device. And you guys are going to want to look for where it says battery. And in battery, you guys are going to want to look for this setting that's called battery saver. So you're just going to want to make sure that you guys have this turned off. So as you can see, I just turned it off successfully, and that's perfect. Now, if you don't see this setting on your Android device, guys, you could actually just skip this step instead of worrying about it. Basically, it's like the low power mode of the Android devices. You're just going to want to make sure you have it off. But if you can't find it, like I said, you could just skip it. But anyways, guys, now that we've made those changes on both the iOS and Android devices, we are now ready to download the Instagram Plus app and go ahead and see who is stalking and the frequent visitors of our Instagram account. Now, this is a tweaked app, guys, which means you're not going to be able to get it from the App Store or the Google Play Store, guys. As you can see, it does say Instagram Plus. So I'm going to have to go ahead and show you all exactly how to download it. So the only way we can download it is from this website called uluhub.com. So once again, guys, that's uluhub.com. And basically, this website is a tweaked app store. It's fully web-based and free to use, so we're going to be able to go ahead onto this site and use the search bar and just go ahead and type in Instagram, and there it is right there, guys. Instagram Plus, free followers and more. So this is the app we're going to want to install, guys. What we're going to want to do now is go ahead and tap on it, and then it's going to say install required. Follow the instructions on the next screen. So tap start injection, and now all we have to go ahead and do, guys, is simply wait for this to load. Give it about like 5 to 10 seconds depending on how fast your internet is, and then it will fully load up and take us to the final part of the install of the app. But there is one final step that we have to go to complete, guys, so just make sure that you keep on watching until the end of the video. That way I can go ahead and show you all what to do next. So this is the last part of the download before we can get Instagram++ installed. So it's going to say additional files are required for Instagram++. We're going to tap go. Then it's going to say how to install. Carefully read instructions of each additional file to unpack them. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this one. So tap go. And now what it's going to say is download the additional files below to continue. So we're going to see a bunch of offers here on this list, guys, and what we have to go ahead and do is complete every single one of these apps. So it's probably going to be at like about 3 to 4 apps or so, or maybe even 5 sometimes. And what you have to go ahead and do is complete every single one of them. So to do that, you just choose one of the apps to get started with. Read the instructions of it before you tap get. So as you can see, the Solitaire app is saying download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds to unlock this content. So now we're going to go ahead and get started with our first offer. We're going to go ahead and open that up. And as you guys can see, we are now running our first offer. And then once you complete this one, then we're going to want to head back and do the rest of them. And after you've done every single offer, guys, we'll be pretty much done and the full Instagram++ will be installed. And that's how easy this is to do. Now make sure you guys do all the offers. I won't be doing all of them because I don't want to make this video like very long or whatever, so I'll just leave it off at that. But if you guys have any questions, do let me know down below, and that is how you get Instagram++ installed and see your stalkers. So thanks guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.